to know now, sir, that we are now later until Saturday. Once we see the tents go up, the electricity restored, so that the water stand by in case construction does not complete on time. There is currently no power to the main building. In the inspection to the classroom is in progress by RFMF engineers. The board has left tent complete. So we see that they may not need temporary classrooms when school starts on Tuesday. In regards to infrastructure rehabilitation assistance, as mentioned by, which may mean that they may not need a temporary care. From school, the construction of 1x2 classroom and the repairing of the main school.
Itu na rin ka. Ipamatala mo na ka. Tranquilo. Daqui ó. Deixa eu daqui.
Ó, Pies.
Luiz.
cuma kongan.
To create this is when they receive it, they set their number and lock the exercise books. They also have rulers, for teaching materials, teaching aids. So all this is to help them develop an emergency curriculum for the situation that they're in.